Hello everyone, we are going to take a look at this 202RD Hideout, and to get the weight out of the way, it comes in weighing 4,500 pounds, so it's very much on the lighter side. At the very front you have your diamond plating to help protect your front cap, power tongue jack, and 2 propane. You are also prepped for side marker cameras, plus you have some extra storage. There's also a power awning for some extra shade if you need it, and they have really cool LED lights when it's all nice and plugged in. Outside speakers, solid steps at your entrance as well, and then right next to it, I love that they started including this, it's kind of new. There is a leash holder, and it also doubles as a bottle opener, but they have this really cute paw print design on there, adorable. Moving along, you also have a 110 outlet to plug anything in out here if you want. This even has front and rear stabilizer jacks. And then you got your big window, plus you are camera ready, so if you want to get a camera back here, you can do that. All right, so now let's take a look at the inside. So directly to my right is your master bedroom space. Queen size bed with storage underneath. Nightstands are also on both sides, as well as outlets and closet lockers. But this side in particular also doubles as a laundry hamper for the pass-through storage down below. So it's nice that you don't have to smell all of your dirty clothes while you're on vacation trying to relax. Shelving in between, so you can use that for some extra storage space or decorations. There's also a spot for a TV here on this wall, so you can have one mounted in, pop a movie in there, and relax even more. Coming into our bathroom, you have your shower tub combo, porcelain foot flush toilet to my right, and then you have your sink with storage below, additional countertop space, and an outlet if you need to plug anything in. And now into our kitchen, living room, entertaining space. Right next to your entrance, you got your 3-burner stove top with a glass range cover. And then there's your oven. Microwave is just above there. And then you have your 3 sets of cabinets. Down below is your sink. I love that it is split. You can put dirty dishes on one side and then wash them on the other. The price for this unit also comes out to be $19,975 for everything. And you have all of this extra countertop space for food prep, outlet as well. Small appliances can get plugged in there, coffee makers, air fryers, blenders, pretty much anything. Storage down below. And then this right here is your Bluetooth speaker system. So this is where you can access outside and inside speakers. More storage. And then this is really cool. So this is a built-in road vac system. So what that is a nozzle comes, it's about 30 feet long, and you're able to vacuum every square inch of this camper up. And so you don't have to bring your vacuum with you, you don't have to bring your mop with you, you don't have to bring your pretty much anything. You already have one built in here. Awesome. One less thing to worry about. And now, into our more living room space. Oh, before I forget, the refrigerator. This is directly across from your extra countertop space. A really awesome size. And even more pantry storage. Now into our living room area. So your booth dinette, comfortable seating. This will fold out into another sleeping spot, as well as your sofa. And look at all of these windows. Natural light is just going to come in, and you'll have a gorgeous view wherever you park your camper. There's also a spot for a TV up here, so you can have that angled. Everyone can sit back and relax. But that is it for this hideout, you guys. If you have questions or concerns, please let us know, and we are happy to help.